Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your BirdBuddy live stream isn't working, you may be able to open the app but the live video never loads, stays on a black screen, or keeps buffering. This can make it difficult to watch birds in real time, even though the camera may still be capturing postcards and photos. In many cases, the issue isn't caused by the camera itself. Live streaming depends on a stable network, camera availability, and smooth communication between the app and your device. Before resetting your BirdBuddy or assuming there's a hardware problem, try these simple fixes that often restore the live feed. 1. Close any other device currently viewing the live stream to free the camera session. 2. Reduce network traffic by pausing large downloads or video streaming on your home Wi Fi. 3. Rotate your phone or switch between portrait and landscape mode to refresh the video player. 4. Reconnect the camera module securely to ensure proper communication with the feeder. 5. Wait a minute after opening the app if the camera is waking from power saving mode.